friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with Stitch's head. His head's going to be a slight diagonal. So on the left we're going to frame around the eyes. We're going to curve this over and down. Let's move up on a diagonal, replicating that exact same shape on the right. Let's frame the hair on the top, so we're going to curve this line in towards the middle first. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this up and back down. From the center here again, curving this around and in. And then from the edge here, just curving that over and through to the middle. Now from that point, we're just going to continue to curve that over to the right. Let's come down now, framing in the nose. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in an arch line. On the bottom, let's close that off with another curved line. On each side now, let's draw in the nostrils. So we're just going to curve this up and over towards the side. And then we'll go ahead and just color that in black. Let's add in some detailed lines up above. So we're going to arch this line over, moving up, creating a smaller curved line. Let's come over to the side now. So we're going to frame in the pupil. So we're going to curve this around, down, and back in towards that point. Coming across on a diagonal, replicating that on the left. Now on the top, let's draw in a sideways oval for the highlight. And then we'll go ahead and just color in our eye black. Now let's add some details around the eye. So coming in, we're going to curve this line up and over to the side. And then on the bottom of that, again, just continuing to curve this around and over on the side again. Let's continue to frame in the body here. So on each side, we're going to curve this around, down, and in. And we'll do that on the right-hand side as well. Now moving up for the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line. On each side, we're going to curve this down, over, and up. Let's just add in a corner bracket here on each side. Let's move down for the mouth here, drawing in a slight curved line. And then on each side, we're just going to curve this line down and into that line on the bottom. Let's frame in the ears. So from the middle here, stepping up, we're going to curve this line around, up, and over. Lining that up at the same height as best as we can on the left, replicating that. Let's focus on our left ear first. We're going to curve this down. We're going to draw in a sideways letter V. And then we'll continue to pull this all the way around and back through to the side of the head. Now coming up on this line, we're going to curve this across. And then from the top here, we're just going to round that out, tucking that in. Let's draw that right ear now. So on the top again, curving this over and in. Again, drawing in a sideways letter V. And now from that point, just curving this back, around, and in on the side. And then from that point on the top, curving that through. Let's round this out on the top again, curving that over. Now let's draw on the arm. So on the inside here, we're going to curve this line around and down. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now let's move across, lining that up at the same height. And we'll just curve that line in. Let's round out the shoulder. Let's draw in the thumb here. So we're going to curve this over and through. do the same with that first finger here, curving this around and in. Now in the center, curving this over and up. And then one last time, just curving this around and in, connecting that together. Let's add the claws here now. So we're just going to draw in a small triangle on the thumb. We'll do the exact same thing on each curved line as we come across. So just drawing in small triangles here. Let's close off the center of the body with a curved line. Moving up, let's replicate that again. Now let's draw on the feet. So stepping over, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. Now in the middle, let's draw in a circle. Let's just bring this into the arm here. Now let's close off the leg behind. So stepping down from the middle, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll round that leg out from the back, curving that back up to the arm. Now let's add in the toe. So from this line, we're just going to draw in an arch line. Stepping down on the inside, let's replicate that. Moving across, leaving a gap, replicating that again. And then one more time as we come down, curving that in. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.